Rains are nature's gift to relish, not be worried for. Moisture won't trouble you anymore. Introducing Sharp Air Purifier with Dehumidifier. Suits every ambiance. Compact and powerful. For rooms of up to 720 square feet. Laundry mode. Dry and deodorize moist clothes. Dehumidifying capacity. 27 liters a day. Water tank capacity. 4.6 liters or. Continuous drainage. Small yet mighty in power and speed. Multi-way airflow. Multi-layered high-efficiency purification. HEPA filter, active charcoal filter and pre-filter. Plasma cluster technology. Experience air as natural as nature. Clever and convenient. Advanced sensors. Dust, humidity, odor, temperature, light. Real-time air health monitor, PM 2.5. Room temperature. Humidity. Intuitive function modes. Dehumidifying. Laundry. Air purify. Mold control. Counted as one of the world's leading air purifier brands by Euromonitor International. Stay comfortable, always. Sharp Air Purifier with Dehumidifier dries everything.
Sharp, being original.